Hi friends, today I want to share how to record your screen like PC screen totally free in just some software. Today this video will be very interesting for a beginner and all because this software is the best software for PC screen recording. Okay, so let's begin how to record your screen very easily, just free, totally free, without without any watermark, totally free. So let's start. So first we search Activepresenter, click on Activepresenter, download Activepresenter, click here. So Microsoft, Mac, Windows, all version is available. You can click and then start download, click, then start the download. I have an Activepresenter, so that's why I close it. Okay, so after installation this interface like this. Okay, after installation click on Activepresenter. So this is the interface for Activepresenter. Just a blank project, record screen as a video, record interactive simulation, responsive project, import PowerPoint. Okay, so we will go for record screen as video. Click here and then look at this. First is full screen. That's mean your recorded screen is full. You can adjust this screen, like click on custom and click here for size. Okay, like small size. And screen you have screen, your screen record is here, and you can write the size 100 by 100. Okay, so your recordable area is selected, or you can adjust by cursor. Okay, so this area is recorded. Okay, or you can choose full screen. Okay, then this is webcam. So if click here, then your webcam will open. So this is audio. You can select microphone, do not record microphone, speaker, microphone, or system with audio. This is system audio, this is microphone. You can choose here, and this is volume, and this is record. Also there are some advanced option like settings. Click on settings, then recording setting, and video codec, two type of video, frame rate you can increase here or decrease, quality you can increase. Okay, then audio codec, sample rate, channel quality you can increase, cursor record mouse cursor. You can unmark here if you want. Cursor no need. Okay, then cursor effect, you can add cursor effect. Okay, theme, you can add theme and hotkeys. So you can add everything. Click on save and then you can record. So click on record. Okay, your record is started. So and after your record, click here, then stop. Okay, after you stop your recording, then this is your clip, right? You can play here. Okay, this is your clip. Okay, this is your clip. So this clip, you now you go to export to video, and there are some option, wide option, video size. You can increase your wide, height. Okay, okay, frame rate, quality. Okay, after adjust, then click OK. Yes, processing. Your video is now in saving. Okay, after save the video, then click on yes. Okay, this is your recorded video. Look at this. Totally fresh, unique, free, and borderless, watermarkless. Okay, so thank you very much.